Hi everyone, I want to talk about why the movie Interstellar is the litmus test for whether you're a real science fiction fan or an annoying pedant. First things first, I'm an astrophysicist and I'm a member of Science Fiction Writers of America, so I feel qualified to speak on this. Interstellar is a movie directed by Christopher Nolan about a Hail Mary attempt to save the dying Earth. It follows the main character, Joseph Cooper, as he and his crew travel through a wormhole in hopes of finding a new home planet. I'll skip a lot here, but the movie ends with Cooper inside of a black hole trying to communicate with his daughter that he left behind. If you're a normal person who loves science fiction, the point of Interstellar is that love transcends space and time, even in its most extreme. If you're a pedant who likes to complain on the internet, you probably didn't like it at all. But here's the thing, a movie is not a textbook. Just because it features your hobby, or your degree, or your PhD thesis does not mean the creator is obligated to cater to you. Despite this, Interstellar does cater to nerds because they literally hired the world's expert on black holes, Nobel Prize winner Kip Thorne, as an executive producer and science consultant. They did the rocket science, they did the relativistic time dilation, they did the atmospheric chemistry of alien planets. But this isn't good enough for pedants. People who hate Interstellar on the basis that it's not scientifically accurate are A, not real science fiction fans, B, not media literate, and C, very annoying. Please pick up a book or watch a movie that does not have superheroes in it. And you know what I think this really boils down to is just a disrespect from the sciences for the art and craft of storytelling. I've heard it in every department I've ever been in. Why do I have to take this English class? This isn't relevant. I don't care about history. Well, guess what? If you had paid attention in those classes, you'd have interesting things to say about media and culture, and then maybe you'd get invited to parties. Anyways, that's the litmus test. Ask your date how they feel about Interstellar. Doesn't matter if they love it or hate it, as long as their answer doesn't have an equation in it. That's all.